Hi, my name is Patty, and I came to Primera Plastic Surgery to originally get my eyes done, which was an eye lift, like a blepharoplasty, because I had had a long history of very puffy eyes and had lost a lot of self-confidence. So I think the biggest benefit is just the overall self-confidence and that feeling of, wow, you can really change something that you physically can't change yourself. No matter what I did, it was something that had to be done by a professional, and that's why I chose Dr. Gross, because I had heard he was the best with faces, and I decided to do that. So to be honest with you, when I was in the consultation, I get teary-eyed with this, and he shows you pictures, and then he takes that little eraser, he takes that eraser and he erases away all this stuff that I for so long had lost confidence in who I was as a person just from my face point of view, that he just took this marker and he says, this is what I can do for you. And he erased it all away and showed me a before and after of a simulation of what my surgery was gonna be. I just stood there and looked at it and was like, okay, I see that. And from there on, I knew no matter what it took, that I was gonna do it. We sat down and he discussed some options with me about possibly doing a little mini lift to be able to pull back with my cheeks and work on my neck and get the fullness out of the sides of my mouth as well. So we decided to do the blepharoplasty, the mini lift, and then we did also a 3 treatment with the IPL. From start to finish, they make you feel comfortable. They explain everything in detail from the beginning of when the first day I walked in to the day I walked out, and every appointment that I've had. You instantly, I think the biggest thing that I came out and I talked to people about is you instantly almost feel like family. And from Sarah, when I met with her and every time, you can't get a better nurse than Sarah. She is the most caring, kind, compassionate person that you've ever met. Dr. Gross talks about your family. He asks about other things. It's not an appointment based on, I'm here to see your face, let's be done and let's move on. No, he talked about my children and their school and what I'm doing, and he asked me all about my job. In my first consultation, he asked me what I do, and oh wow, that's really interesting, tell me more about it. Everything that you need is all packaged in a little package down to the ice packs, and I think that where people don't realize, when you go somewhere else or you might want to think about going somewhere else, why would you? Because you get the complete package of start to finish and every little nuance in between. So, and the best surgeon that you can have that focuses on you as a person. I feel confident, and I'm just gonna be able to be me. It hasn't changed me as a person. It just changed my inner self of confidence and that ability to be, you just feel like you walk a little taller and you smile a little larger, and it just gives you that overall, I am a good person, and now I can show it from head to toe.